Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power windows are not working. This video will apply to 5th generation of Ford Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Power windows fuses are located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here. Now to remove the cover, there is a black tab. You want to press it and lift up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and here you have all of the fuses and the relays. Fuse number 29, it's a 30 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to passenger front window. And fuse number 34, also 30 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to driver power window, front driver power window. Now in case your Mustang is convertible, then you have rear windows, and I will show you which fuses to check if one of those is not working. There is a small fuse box just next to the passenger's right foot. I will zoom in and turn the flash. So first you want to remove this cover just by pulling it over it yourself, and then you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. Again, on top of the cover you have a small fuse diagram. To remove the cover you have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press this at the same time and pull the cover off. On the back side of the cover you have a white small fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuses you want to check here will be fuse number 1, which is a 30 amp fuse located here, and fuse number 4, again 30 amp fuse. And these are the fuses for the rear power windows if you have a convertible. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.